Paul Salter here. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to increase your calories in a diligent and stepwise manner after you finish a dieting phase to ultimately help you achieve your new maintenance calorie intake. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how, when, and why to make specific calorie adjustments as you navigate your post-diet weight maintenance phase. And the strategies I share with you in this video are literally the exact same strategies I have used to help hundreds of men and women just like you lose a significant amount of weight and keep it off for months and years. And remember, before you dive in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell at the top right-hand corner of your screen so you never miss a brand new video released every single Tuesday. And of course, if you want to learn even more about the who, what, when, where, why, and how of mastering weight maintenance mastery, get your hands on my best-selling course, Weight Maintenance Mastery. Now, come on, let's talk about what to do next. Before we talk about the how and the when of increasing your calories after a diet, well, we need to begin with the why. Now, if you remember from one of my previous videos, you know that during a diet, several physiological adaptations take place as a result of you making a series of gradual reductions in calories. And some of these adaptations may include a reduced or slowed metabolism and a major increase in both appetite and cravings. Well, the only way for you to restore these physiological adaptations back to pre-diet levels is to simply increase your calories again. I mean, it's literally that simple and a mirror opposite of what you did to lose weight. Well, at least it's that simple on paper. The problem is it's usually not that simple, but if you do not increase your calories after a diet, you'll continue to experience heightened fatigue, hunger, and cravings while also dealing with a slowed metabolism simultaneously, which, to be candid, is a major recipe for rapid weight regain. Rather than making one gigantic increase in your calories after you finish a diet, you need to make a series of several calorie increases. And this ensures that your body, and more specifically your metabolism, has plenty of time to adapt to each increase you make, which ultimately will enable you to minimize fat gain and ultimately boost your metabolic rate and ability to handle more calories. I recommend that you increase your calories by 15 to 25%. And allow me to give you an example to best illustrate this recommendation. If you end your diet eating 1,200 calories per day, this looks like an addition of 180 to 300 calories per day. I then recommend, and this is important, so listen up, I recommend that you distribute that calorie increase equally between both carbohydrates and fat. Think between 90 and 150 calories to each specific nutrient. And to give you a precise example, this may look like increasing your carbohydrates by 23 to 38 grams and your fat by 10 to 17 grams per day. Just like it took time for your body to adapt to the series of calorie reductions you made during a diet, which was evidenced by the consistent plateau you hit on the scale, it's going to take just as much time, if not longer, for your body to adapt to the series of calorie increases you make during your post-diet weight maintenance phase. And if you begin to increase your calories too quickly, you're ultimately going to overwhelm both your body and your metabolism and ultimately prime your body for rapid weight regain and body fat regain. This is absolutely the opposite of what you're trying to accomplish during this phase, which is why I recommend that you spend between 4 and 6 weeks on each calorie increase before moving on to your subsequent calorie increase. Now that you know the when and the how to increase your calories as you navigate a post-diet weight maintenance phase, you're definitely going to want to know what your new maintenance calorie goal should be. Well, fortunately for you, I put together a quick video that walks you through exactly how to calculate your new maintenance calorie intake. There you have it. 2 simple yet extremely powerful guidelines to help you successfully maintain your weight after a diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or a big thumbs up and comment helpful or any questions you have right below this video. And of course, I would greatly appreciate it if you shared this video with a friend, coworker, colleague, or loved one who would also benefit from learning how to maintain their weight loss after a diet. And again, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell to make sure you never miss a brand new educational video every single Tuesday. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.